यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स और मेंस में आप न्यूज़पेपर से कैसे कंटेंट निकाल सकते हो विदिन जस्ट 3 मिनट्स देखते हैं. बिफोर यू मूव फर्दर, द इंपॉर्टेंट कीवर्ड्स, केस स्टडी एंड फैक्ट्स फ्रॉम दिस न्यूज़पेपर यू विल गेट एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. आप इसकी स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो. लेट्स मूव. Prime Minister India gearing up to host 2026 Olympics. This can be used in any example of India's promotion of its image of soft power. So, with the India is already recently hosting the 2030 Commonwealth Games in Ahmedabad, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday said the country is preparing to with full strength to host the 2026 Olympics. After G20, India is hosting Commonwealth and then 2026 Olympics. Moving forward. America's return to interventionism. This article is again very important for parents point of view. You should know the basic facts like Monroe Doctrine, which is stated by the then President James Monroe in 1823. For this basis, it is invested in the national security strategy of US in 1825. And the recent operation of US in Venezuela had captured the president of Venezuela, and the capital of Venezuela is the Caracas. And the most important fact, Chevron model, which is allows foreign oil companies to operate in the country after receiving approval from US. Moving forward. A lesson from BEAD in raising farmers' income. You can use this example in GS3. If the question comes on dairy sector, you can start with the intro like in 2024-5, India was the largest producer of milk in the world, roughly at 248 million crores, highlights its future potential. And the most important case study from this article is the Kishikul under the Global Vikas Trust has increased farmer income by 10 times by improving the trust of the farmers, by having quality samplings, by having good water table consultation, and improving the farmer credit access. And the important keywords like, as highlighted by Honorable Prime Minister, farmer prosper, India will prosper. Moving forward. In disruptive times, principle underlying business success are unchanged. This article is again very important for parents point of view because of the 4 industrial revolution which are given, which is asked in PYQ multiple times. So you should know the first IR is for 1776 of steam engine. Second industrial revolution is for telegraph, telephone and the assembly of production. And the third industrial revolution started in 1970 around the internet, robotics, IT. And the fourth is currently going on around 2020. It was started of machine learning, AI, quantum computing, etc. A digital open challenge, we can shape our AI future. In Venezuela, a familiar dismissal script of imperial overreach. These both the articles is important for extraordinary keywords which will give you an extra edge in men's like decentralized ownership, misinformation of weaponization, degradation of planetary ecologies, moral erosion, regional diplomacy, etc. API pulls out of 7,600 crore from equities in just 2 days of Jan. This can be a great example in GS3. If the question comes on challenges of Indian economy, you can use that capital outflows of India in 2025 recorded highest ever, which is stood at $18.9 billion. Moving forward, OPEC Plus keeps oil output steady amid turmoil among members. This can be a great article from Police Protocol. You should know the 8 members of OPEC Plus. Those are Saudi Arabia, Russia, UAE, Kazakhstan, Kuwait, Iraq, Algeria, Oman. That's your UPSC rating news for today. Stay consistent, stay ahead until tomorrow's news. All the very best.